Mastering self-assessment. Grading your English progress with self-rating scales. Hello, English learners, and welcome back to our series on conversational English and daily routines. Today, we're going to take a deeper dive into a crucial part of your English learning journey, self-assessment. Specifically, we're going to explore self-rating scales, a valuable tool that can help you understand your progress and identify areas where you need improvement. Self-rating scales are a form of self-assessment that allows you to evaluate your own abilities in a particular area. In our case, it's the English language. This might sound a bit intimidating, but don't worry, it's a straightforward and highly effective technique. When using a self-rating scale, you rate your own performance on a predefined scale, usually ranging from beginner to advanced. It's a subjective assessment, but it can provide useful insights into how well you're doing. Here's how you can use self-rating scales for learning English. Step 1. Define the skills to rate. This could be your vocabulary, grammar, pronunciation, listening comprehension, or any other language skill. Step 2. Determine your rating scale. You can use numbers 1 to 10, descriptors, beginner, intermediate, advanced, or any other scale that makes sense to you. Step 3. Rate yourself honestly. Remember, this tool is for your benefit, so it's crucial to be honest with yourself. It's okay to be a beginner, and it's okay to make mistakes. That's how we learn. Step 4. Use your ratings to plan future studies. If you're strong in vocabulary but weaker in listening comprehension, you know where to focus your studies. Remember, the aim of a self-rating scale is not to criticize or demotivate you, but to give you a clearer picture of your progress and guide you on where to direct your learning efforts. One-time self-rating won't provide much benefit. For it to be effective, it must be regular. You might choose to assess yourself monthly, or after every significant chunk of learning. Regular assessment will help you see how much you're improving, which can be incredibly motivating. It also allows you to adjust your learning strategies as needed. And that's it. Self-rating scales are an excellent tool for assessing your English language learning progress. They're simple, flexible, and, most importantly, tailored to your needs. Remember, the aim is not to score perfect 10s, but to get a clear picture of your strengths and weaknesses, and to guide your learning journey. Thanks for joining us today, and as always, happy learning!